Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best nasal hair clipper on the market. Perfect for men and women who want a simple, effective solution for grooming those hard-to-reach areas. This is the Nasal Clippers for Men and Women by Jaxiria, a universal nose and ear hair trimming tool that's designed for precision, safety, and ease of use. Right out of the box, you'll notice the quality of the materials. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this trimmer is built to last. Its upper and lower inner blades are sharp yet sturdy, designed to trim hairs cleanly without any burrs or rough edges that could hurt your skin. The clipper is small and lightweight, measuring just under 4 inches, which makes it incredibly portable. Whether you're at home or traveling, it fits perfectly in your grooming kit or even your pocket. One of the standout features of this clipper is its rounded tip design. This detail is not just for comfort but also ensures safety inside your nose or ears, minimizing any risk of cuts or irritation. The design allows for discreet trimming with a gentle squeeze of the handles, so you don't have to worry about painful or awkward grooming sessions. It's a manual tool, so there's no need for batteries or charging, which means it's always ready whenever you need it. But this trimmer isn't limited to just nose and ear hair. It's truly a multi-functional grooming tool. You can use it on your eyebrows, sideburns, mustache, and even stray hairs on your body. For women, it's ideal for delicate areas such as shaping eyebrows or tidying up fine facial hairs. Because it's water-resistant, cleaning is a breeze and you can even use it in the shower without any worries. The compact size and lightweight feel make it easy to maneuver around sensitive areas, giving you full control over your grooming. And since it's manual, there's no noise or vibration, which adds to the comfort factor. Overall, the Jaxiria Nasal Clippers provide a safe, efficient, and affordable grooming experience for anyone looking to keep unwanted hair in check without the fuss of electric trimmers or messy waxing. Whether you're on the go or just want a reliable tool at home, this nasal clipper fits the bill perfectly. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in a practical, no-fuss grooming tool that works well for multiple areas, this nasal hair clipper is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews and insights. See you next time.